Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Minecraft launcher from Microsoft Store, or if you're unable to install it from Xbox app, and if you're receiving this error code that is 0x80070005. So if you're receiving this error code whenever you try to install Minecraft launcher from Xbox app or Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first thing which you do is to skip to step 13. So don't try 1 to 12, just skip to step 13 and then follow the steps. Now if Windows app folder is not there in your drive, in that case you can create Windows apps folder. So first of all, try step 13. In step 13, if you don't have Windows apps, then in that case you can create Windows apps folder. For this you can go to C drive. If you're trying to install in C drive, you can create Windows apps folder, or you can go to E drive. If you're trying to install it on external drive, make sure that you create a Windows apps folder. So you can make a right click and then select new and then click on folder and name this folder as Windows apps folder without any space. In my case I already have it, so I'll receive the error. So in your case, if you don't have this, you can create Windows apps folder and then try to install Minecraft launcher. But still you're facing the problem. In that case you can follow 1 to 12 step and rest of the steps shown in this video.
The first step is to log in with same account on store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in. Select the right account, then click on continue. Now enter your PIN or password over here, and once logged in, go to Xbox app. On the top right again here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then again click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Now select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store and then log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. Now also make sure that date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here. In Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11 select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now, and after the sync try installing the launcher once again. Also make sure the right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to install the launcher from Xbox app. So if you're trying to install the launcher on store, then you can open Xbox app on your computer. So Xbox app is pre-installed on your computer, so you can open Xbox app. If this is not pre-installed, you can install it from Microsoft Store. So you can click on Xbox app, install it, and use Xbox app to install Minecraft launcher. Now if you're using Xbox app and if you're receiving this error code on Xbox app, then you can use it, then you can install it on Microsoft Store. So find Minecraft launcher in Microsoft Store. In the search box type in Minecraft launcher and then try to install it from the Microsoft Store. Also you can use library, so click on library, and then on the over here you will see the list. So find Minecraft launcher in the list. If you see Minecraft launcher in the list, then in front of it you will see the install option. So try to install the launcher from Microsoft Store library. Now the next step is to download it from the Minecraft website. So you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Here you can see the option which says download for Windows 10 and 11. Click on it, run the exe file and download it from Minecraft website. If this version does not work, you can install Windows 7 and 8 versions. So click on download for Windows 7 and 8 and then run this file and install Minecraft launcher. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Now, during this process, you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now, once done, close this window, restart your computer, and then try to install Minecraft Launcher. Now, the next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache file. For this, go to this location. So open File Explorer on your computer. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open users folder, then open your username folder, and then open AppData folder. Now, if you don't see AppData, click on View over here on the top, and then click on Show, and then put a check on Hidden Items. In Windows 10, somewhere over here, you will find View tab, View options. So click on View, and then somewhere over here, you will find Hidden Items. So put a check on Hidden Items, then open AppData folder, then open the local folder, and then find Packages folder. Open Packages. Now scroll down. Now you have to find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. You have to open this folder. And then over here you can see local cache file. Make a right click, then click on delete. And now try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app or Microsoft Store. So type in Store in Windows search box. Make a right click on Microsoft Store, then click on App Setting. This will open Windows settings. Now scroll down, and here you can see the repair option. Click on repair. Now after the repair, try to install Minecraft launcher. If that does not work, you can perform reset. So click on reset, reset, and after the reset, try to install the launcher. Do the same thing with Xbox app. So type in Xbox app, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on app settings. This will again open Windows settings. Again scroll down, click on repair, and once the repair is done, open Xbox app or Microsoft Store and then try to install the launcher. If that does not work, perform reset, click on reset, reset, and after the reset, try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to update Xbox app and store from store library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here, you can see library option. Click on library. And then on the right hand side, on the right top here, you can see the option which says Get Updates. Click on Get Updates, and once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. Copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on Install or Open, and then it will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store. Here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. If this is not installed, you will see the install option or get option. In my case, this is already installed, so there is no button. So if this is not installed, click on install or get button. And once this is installed, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. To uninstall gaming services, copy this link, copy this command, and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Now once done, run the second command. So copy this command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store, and you will see the install option to install gaming services. Click on install. Click on Yes to allow, and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, once gaming services is installed, now you can try to install Minecraft launcher. Now the next step is to start all these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services, and then find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find all the Xbox services. At the end here, you can see all the Xbox services. Make a double click on each Xbox services, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start, then click on OK. Click on select automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, automatic, apply, start, and then click on OK. Automatic, apply, start, OK. Now find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find gaming services. Now if gaming services is not running, make a right click, then click on start. So make sure gaming services are running. If it's already running, then make a right click, then click on stop. And then again make a right click, then click on stop. And then restart the service. So make a right click, then click on restart or start. Again make a right click and then click on start or restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now once done, close this window and then try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the launcher. Next step is to run WS reset command. So type in WS reset in Windows search box, click on WS reset. This will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and now you can try to install the launcher. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app in Microsoft Store. To uninstall Xbox app, type in Xbox app in Windows search box, make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, do the same thing with Microsoft Store. To uninstall Microsoft Store, copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. And after this, restart your computer. Now after the system restart, open PowerShell once again. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy this command. This command is also provided in the video description. This will reinstall Microsoft Store. So paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, now you can open Microsoft Store on your computer and then try to install Minecraft launcher. Now the next step is to try to install the Minecraft launcher to C drive or a different drive. So for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now under system, click on storage, and then under storage, click on advanced storage settings and then click on where new content is saved. Click on it, and then from here new apps will save to if you are installing it to some other drive. So if you are installing it to D drive or E drive, click on it and then select C drive and then click on apply and then try to install the launcher. Now in case if you are already installing it to C drive, then click on the down arrow and select another drive. In my case, I don't have any additional drive connected to my computer, so I don't have the option. But in your case, if you have external hard drive or two hard drives on your computer, then click on this down arrow and then select another drive and try to install it to another drive. So try to install to C drive as well as another drive and then check. The next step is to rename WP System and Windows Apps folder. Now to rename WP System folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP System. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP System folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply. OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP System folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names. OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply, OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename, rename it as wpsystem.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename, you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on properties, go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply. OK, OK, again OK. Again make a right click on Windows apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows apps and then click on rename, and then rename it as WindowsApps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case open Task Manager on your computer, make a right click on the start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find gaming services, make a right click and then click on end task, and also open services over here and then go to services and find gaming services, make a right click on gaming services, click on stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on stop, again make a right click and then click on stop. Make sure gaming services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as WindowsApps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service. Now the next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. For this, type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Now go to the advanced tab, scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, TLS 1.3. Make sure all four are checked over here and then click on apply, click on OK, and then try to install the launcher. Now the last step is to update your Windows to the latest version using Media Creation tool. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to download and install Minecraft launcher successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.